As you're most likely running ads on Amazon, you face the never-ending process. It's optimizing your advertising. And by optimization, I mean the analysis of your search terms, identifying those that perform well and those that you need to negate. So in this video, I will show you the method how to automate this process, make it much faster and also 100% more effective by using just Excel. That's it. So let's start. Welcome to My Real Profit channel. My name is Damian. I'm co-founder of My Real Profit, and the goal of this YouTube channel is to teach you how to use the data and turn it into your competitive advantage. What is n-gram analysis, phrase analysis, by word analysis? Different names, but same method. So for this process, as I mentioned before, we just need Excel and access to the campaign manager. So I'm talking about the n-gram analysis method. The idea is you get customer search term, break it down into words, and then you will be able to see performance by each word separately, meaning you can identify the word that perform high ACoS, then go to your campaign settings to negative keywords and just add a negative phrase word, and you will get rid of all the search terms that are related to this word. So it's pretty easy. And same time, as I mentioned, you don't need anything, just Excel file and your campaign manager. Let's enter campaign manager, go to measurement and reporting, sponsor ads reports, then click create report, report category, sponsor product, report type, search term, time unit, daily, and then select the needed time period. Now, once you downloaded the file, you can open it. It will look like this. So you can see your date, the campaign name, match type, customer search term, and as you can see, for example, I have search term French press coffee maker. Yeah. If I do the by word analysis, I need to identify how much money I spent on the word French, how much money I spent on the word press, coffee, or maker. So for example, let's identify how much money I spent on the word coffee. Yeah. And let's enter coffee here. Showed me now all of the potential keywords that contain word coffee, and now I have my total spend is $1,000 and my total sales are $2,700. But I will not do this for all of the search terms. It's barely possible to do this. Yeah, so there is a very simple way how to analyze those search terms. What do we need to do? Open new blank Excel file. So just the new Excel file. Then click on data and get data Power Query. Click on it. Now select Excel workbook. Then select your file. I selected the file and then I click next. Now highlight here and click transform data. Now go to customer search term and click 2 times on customer search terms or right mouse click, and then now do here split column by delimiter. Now we need to click advanced, and you need to do, instead of comma, select space, and instead split into columns, do rows. Click OK. That's it. Now you click close and load. So look what we get here. Now each search terms is shown separately, and our French press coffee maker is broken down into 4 rows, and we have the same performance like impressions, clicks, spent for all of those search terms, while actually I just spent $80 on French press coffee maker. Now what you need to do next, you do insert pivot table, click OK. Now let's add some metrics. So add customer search term to rows. Let's add clicks, spend, and 7-day total sales as an example. Okay, so that's what you will get as a result from using this method. Now let's calculate ACoS. Let's do divide C4, spend divided by B4, which is our total sales. And we are getting ACoS. Now let's calculate ACoS for all of the words. So we have it. And you can see different words have different ACoS. And if we do analysis one by one, we will identify the words that perform very high ACoS. For example, maker. Word maker generates me 89% ACoS. And for example, word scoop generates me 250% ACoS. I can identify if those words are relevant to my company or not. So let's find out if scoop is relevant, search them to our company or not. So copy the word, go to the previous search term file and select here, enter word scoop. Now you will see all of the search terms that are containing the word scoop, and you can make a decision if it actually related to your company or not. In my case, it's not relevant to my company, so I need to do a negative phrase of the word scoop. So go back to campaign manager, click on your campaign, and you can see the campaign here. So technically you can do one by one, or you can just define the campaign where it makes most of the spend. And then just go there, negative keyword, select the negative phrase, enter this word scoop, and you will get rid of all the search terms that are related to this campaign. So it's pretty simple and same time very effective. Basically that's it. It was pretty short video. I hope it was helpful, insightful for you. I know that this method was used across a lot of companies and also used in our software. So if you are looking for the automated solution, you can check out My Real Profit. I put the link into the description. There is much more features in it. It's just one table out of, I don't know, 100 different tables that we provide. So yeah, if you are interested in automated solution that will help you with this Ngram analysis on a daily basis, feel free to check it out. And also make sure you're subscribed to the channel, that you're turn on the notification, because I'm going to publish next video next week about search query performance report, and I believe it's gonna have even much more value than this video. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.